Other news we are following right now, the dismantling of the Department of Education has officially started. Today, President Donald Trump clarified some of the changes in the wake of his executive order yesterday. He says the Small Business Administration will now oversee federal student loans. He also says the Department of Health and Human Services will manage school nutrition programs.
Those two elements will be taken out of the Department of Education, and then all we have to do is get the students to get guidance from the people that love them and cherish them, including their parents, by the way, who will be totally involved in their education, along with the boards and the governors and the states. And it's going to be a great situation.
Now, President Trump has also insisted that key department programs that provide funding for low-income schools and help meet the needs of children with disabilities won't be impacted. But many education advocates say they are skeptical. Lee Waldman reports.
We're going to be returning education very simply back to the states where it belongs.
While it would take an act of Congress to completely eliminate the Department of Education, President Donald Trump is fulfilling a campaign promise by beginning to dismantle it.
The Department of Education will be much smaller than it is today. As you know, the president's executive order directed Linda McMahon to greatly minimize the agency.
The Department of Education was created by then-President Jimmy Carter in 1979. It oversees national education policy and administers federal grant programs for schools across the country. Kim Anderson, executive director of the National Education Association, worries children in public schools will suffer if it is dismantled.
This is going to impact every student across the country because of the reach of federal programs and federal funds that provide the resources that students need to thrive.
Thursday, Trump made assurances that two of the DOE's key programs, Title I, which provides funding for low-income schools, and the IDEA program, which provides schools with money to meet the needs of children with disabilities, won't be impacted. Anderson has her doubts.
There is no way that when you cut funding, can you have the kinds of small class sizes that ensure that students get the attention that they need.
In New York, I'm Lee Waldman.